$300,000 a buy in Annapolis today. Happy Ground Hog Day. It's Friday, February 2nd, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is your weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. The average price that a first-time homebuyer would expect to pay for a starter home in Maryland is $305,000, which is double the national average for a starter home. In Annapolis, finding homes in the $300,000 price range is nearly impossible. The bulk of the homes for sale are over $500,000, and more than half of the current inventory is priced over $1 million. In fact, you can expect to pay an average of $605,000 if you want to live in Annapolis. That means you also have to earn more to afford to live here. This doesn't bode well for our workforce unless they earn upwards of $137,000 per year. So what will $300,000 get you in Annapolis today? $300,000 will buy you a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo that comes with a $386 monthly condo fee. The housing supply shortage and affordability crisis remain two issues gripping our area. Check out this week's Maryland Market Minute for more details there. Meanwhile, inventory in all Annapolis zip codes remains at 114 for sale. 20 homes hit the market over the past week, 10 went under contract, a drop from last week. 12 moved to pending, a rise from last report. 23 homes sold at 100% list to sold ratio and selling in 10 days. The highest priced home to sell was in Fishing Creek Farm for $2,450,000. Rentals in Annapolis are at 44 for $3,035 per month. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, February 2nd, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, stay safe, and I'll see you next week. Take care.